Well, here's the first high wind warning today for my rack. I'm gonna do a full disassembly. I have 2 stringers I'm gonna make today. Basically, they're gonna be wood versions of this capped in steel. I'm gonna run the length of it and hopefully eliminate this bowing that I got going on here. Make it a little bit more rigid. I'm not expecting this thing to take 100-kilometer-hour winds, but I don't want to wake up like I did this morning and be forced to jump out of bed knowing that I got 4 hours till the heavy duty stuff kicks off, but terrified of what happens afterwards. And I gotta get my voice back after that concert. What a show.